Hi everyone, this is spicy potatoes and cucumber pickle salad, typical from Nepal. We call it simply Achar in Nepali. It means pickle. We can call it salad too. It has a savory, tangy, sour, spicy and fragrant taste and flavor. It is really easy to make it and comes out so delicious. So today I am going to make it. Isn't this great? Let's get started. To make potatoes and cucumber pickle salad, here are the ingredients. Let's start with heating a little pan on medium flame. After the pan becomes hot, add our 50 grams of sesame seeds. Toast like this to make it brown evenly. I'm using the chopstick, but you can use a spoon or other things. Toss it until it becomes brown. See, like this. Now put it into a mortar and with a pestle crush it until it becomes powder. It doesn't have to be very fine powder. Just make it like this, see? Keep aside and start preparing the rest of the ingredients. Basically chopping and adding into a salad bowl. I'm using my big salad bowl. It is easy to mix everything so. Now let's chop the boiled and peeled potatoes in 1-inch cubes. I boil them 15 minutes in normal pot. Add in the center of the bowl. Chop cucumber, first lengthwise and take off the flesh and chop it 1-inch cubes. Add into the bowl on the side of the potatoes. These colorful and lovely cherry tomatoes, chop it into half or 4 pieces if they are big. You can use normal tomatoes instead. Add it with others. Onion 1-inch cubes too. Separate them and add. Add green peas. I use frozen. You can use it fresh too if you have it. Chop spring coriander and add the crushed sesame powder that we made earlier. Now it's time for our fragrant ingredients. Chop ginger in little strip and garlic too. Then chilies, just like this, and add them on the potatoes. Next, add a 1/4 teaspoon of coriander powder, a 1/4 teaspoon of red chili powder. Remember we added fresh chili too, so add it to your taste. And the salt to your taste. I added 1 teaspoon. Remember to put all fragrant ingredients together so when we put the hot oil on top of them to season, it will cook it, then enhances its fragrancy and flavors more. Now heat a pan in a medium flame. Add 2 to 3 tablespoons of vegetable oil that you prefer and wait until it gets slightly hot. After the oil gets hot, add a 1/4 teaspoon of fenugreek seeds. Let it become dark brown. Be careful it explodes like this. When it becomes dark brown, turn off the heat, add turmeric powder. Shake the pan. Now pour it into the bowl on top of the fragrant ingredients, which helps to enhance the flavor. Mix it all well with a spoon because it can be hot. After you mix it, add 2 tablespoons of lemon juice or more if you like more citric. Now with your clean hand, mix it all well properly. I like to break it some potatoes to make it creamier. Mix them very well. It looks amazing and they smell so good. Now we are done. Let's put it into a serving plate. Garnish with fresh chilies and the lemon slice if you like. Have a close look. So gorgeous. I'm going to taste just like this. So good. Spicy, savory, tangy and sour. Oh my god, so flavorful. You know the toasted sesame seeds taste so well. You can't go wrong if you like this kind of pickle salad. You can enjoy it as a side dish for your main meal or snack. I hope you like this recipe. The full recipe is on my website pabskitchen.com. Give it a try. If you like it, don't forget to share, like and leave a comment below to tell me what do you think and which recipe would you like to see on my future videos. And finally, if you haven't subscribed yet, do it now. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.